Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1972 Smith Corona Super Sterling vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. And above that are the margins. This is your left margin. I'm going to set that around 0 and the right margin around 75, about the length of a page. And this is the paper bail that sits on top, holds the page down. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the slide space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, just flip that switch back. It skips 2, 1 more, it skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line and switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip that all the way down to the red square, and it prints the bottom portion of the ribbon when you have it in the middle. It just leaves a stencil. There's no ink, just for copying purposes. When you have it on the bottom, it's red, and when you have it on top, it's black. Very nice typing machine, very popular model, very popular color. Only one I have in stock right now. And it's just a really nice typewriter for daily typing, very reliable. So if you want something reliable, very easy to use, and you like the design, this is your typewriter. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. Flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier, load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace above that works great. And above that to the left is the touch control from low, medium, and high. The farther down you go, the more tension there is when you hit the keys. They do respond faster, but you got to hit them harder. So I'm going to keep that on low, put the color selector back up to black, and we're going to mess with the tab now. Let's see if we have any tabs set. If do not, so as you can see, it kind of slams on to the end, causing wear and tear on your typewriter. So I am going to set one here in the middle by hitting that set button on the right side here. Set. And now you hit the tab, it'll stop at that spot. To clear it, you hit CL. And now it just goes to the end, so I'm going to keep one set there. And open the hood. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to switch the direction, right where my pointing finger is, right here, there's a switch behind this knob, or behind this spool. If you flip it back, it'll pull to the left. If you flip it forward, it'll pull to the right. The one design flaw of this model is this carriage release. It's really easy and comfortable to use when it's intact, but this is made out of hard plastic and these break a lot. So I have designed and 3D printed these, but these are the originals. But if you need a replacement for your typewriter, then check my shop. Very nice 3D printed ones that don't break as easy. They don't break at all, I don't think, so I haven't had one break yet. And that's it, now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.